Can you tell me about the participants from the pilot project? How did that go?
Well, it was really interesting because there was a real eclectic mix of people from all backgrounds, and I think it had a big transformation on everyone that partook. There are a couple of people that had quite tricky scenarios going on at home. They weren't particularly happy, and life wasn't going particularly well. And this course ignited something in them. It turned something around. It gave them a focus and a drive. And so I think from personal experiences, it gave them confidence, self-belief, and a bit of escapism actually from the everyday. And these wonderful things were created. And by the end, everyone, no one knew each other, but at the end, everyone was so united and worked, real teamwork, and that was really beautiful to watch.
I had a meeting recently with one of the participants who came back to the planet just to catch up with everything that he'd been doing since then. And now he's actually part of a business development program that's actually nurturing him and helping him develop his own fashion label. So soon enough, on the onset from this, he's going to have his own brand eventually, which is, for us, is amazing news.
Yeah.